Hi, my name's Rob Magee. I've teamed up with Kingsford, Masterbuilt, and Walmart for a weekly virtual smokehouse tour. And today we're going to feature barbecue shrimp with a jalapeno coleslaw. You're going to love it. So it's super important. We're going to go ahead and make all the ingredients first, so when we cook the shrimp and take it off, it's nice and hot and ready to go. So let's start off with the Chipotle Aioli. So we start off with heavy whipped mayonnaise, pureed chipotle, and some red onions, some lime juice, a little bit of honey. Now we're going to go ahead and mix that all up. Now we're going to go ahead and put some Q39 seasoning in there. Super important to season your food. We're going to go ahead and taste it. That is awesome. Now it's time to make that amazing jalapeno coleslaw. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the vinaigrette first. Now, talk about easy. All you need is 2 parts of lime juice, 1 part of salad oil. So I have 2 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon. Put a little Q39 steak seasoning in there. We'll go ahead and whisk that up. Have a little taste. Ooh, nice and tangy. That's what you want. That acid that we're gonna add to that coleslaw is gonna cut through that seafood, and it's gonna be delicious with that bacon. I'll tell you, everything all works. So let's go ahead and put together the coleslaw itself. I take some sliced cabbage, and what I'm gonna do is, just to make it a little bit more manageable, I'm just gonna cut that a little bit. That way when I put it on the plate, it doesn't go everywhere. Okay, so we have our cabbage. We're gonna put some julienne red peppers, some red onions, thinly sliced jalapenos, cilantro, and that vinaigrette we made. Now we're gonna mix it up. God, that's tasting good. Now it's time to wrap the bacon. We've got all the other ingredients together. Remember, we're gonna be putting this on the grill. It's only gonna be about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes each side. So we're gonna go ahead and take these beautiful 1620 shrimp. What I did is I removed the vein out of here. You don't want that stuff, it doesn't taste good. And I left the tail on, so it looks really nice in presentation. We're gonna take that and we're gonna wrap it up in bacon. What's important is you'll see me rolling it so I don't overlap that bacon. And we're going to take that and put it on a skewer. You know what? This Masterbuilt, I'll tell you, it can cook. So right now you'll see the smoke coming out that we put in the hickory, and it's ready to go. We're going to season that with a little salt, pepper, Q39, my specialty. And what I like to do is I always like to spray it just to make sure it doesn't stick. And then we're gonna go ahead and grill it. About 2.5 minutes each side. Let's go ahead and let it do its work, and we're gonna go check on it. While that shrimp is doing all that, look at that wonderful stuff, grilling and smoking at the same time, we're gonna get our plate together. So when it comes off, we're gonna serve it nice and hot. So I've got a beautiful rectangular plate. We've got that nice coleslaw we just made. Look at that, doesn't that look good? Put that down on the bottom. And now we are ready to go. So when that shrimp comes off, we're gonna take it off, put it right down, and then top it with our Chipotle Aioli. Oh, it's delicious. Let's go ahead and check that shrimp. Okay, it's been about 2.5 minutes. Let's go ahead and check it. Remember, if it's not ready, leave it on the grill. If it's ready, flip it over. Boy, doesn't that look delicious. Now, what I'm gonna do is take these beautiful shrimp and we're gonna go ahead and put it right on top of that jalapeno coleslaw. Then we're gonna take some of that Chipotle Aioli and top it. And here is our bacon wrapped shrimp with jalapeno coleslaw. Yours finest from Q39 Restaurant here in Kansas City. I wanna say thanks so much for joining us here in my backyard. I hope you picked up some tips so you can use it in your own backyard.